Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free virtual credit card for online trials. So simply go to Wise, open up Google and type in Wise. You're going to go to wise.com because you can get free virtual card from wise.com. So go to wise.com, and once you're on wise.com, so what you're going to do, you're going to log into your account. So you need to create an account here. Since let me log out of my account. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on register. This is absolutely free, so you don't need to make any payments. You can simply create an account using your email address and other personal details, and also you can also create an account with your Google account or your Facebook account as well. So once you've registered, just log into your account, and then when you've logged into your account, so let me log into my account. So once this is done, so what you're going to do, you're going to see this page here, and then on your left side menu here there will be a card option. Click on card, and this will take you to the page where you can order a virtual digital credit card. So simply click on order a new card, and then select the digital option. It's, as I said, it's free. Just click on digital, it's free. And then what you're going to do, you're going to simply click on order your digital card, and then you'll instantly get your digital card. So you have something like this here. So this is my digital card. If I click on it, and you'll see that this is the how you can see your card pin number, your card details, and similar to your other usual bank credit cards. So this is actually a Visa digital virtual card. So once you get this card, so now you can simply use this card on any of your online trials. If you need a credit card, you can simply plug in the details of this virtual Visa credit card. So if you click on card details, then that will show you your card number and all those details which you can use to plug in, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can get a free virtual card to use for any online trials as you wish. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.